let's get a check of our forecast. We've got Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum joining us. What can we expect this week, Dave?
Well, some changes and all kinds of stuff. I'm going to throw the kitchen sink at you basically with the weather this week. We were down in the 30s this morning, but then we're talking about some warm temperatures coming into play here. How about Tuesday through Thursday? 70s and 80s record highs are going to be in the forecast. Then later this week, a cold front comes in with some rain and storms and help to cool us down a little bit as we get into the upcoming weekend. So a little of everything for everyone here across central Alabama. Live look at Tuscaloosa right now. A nice mild day today. Some high cloudiness out there as well, too. Temperatures at 72 degrees with calm winds and dry conditions. And with the dry conditions out there today and very low humidity, there is a moderate fire danger threat here across central Alabama. So recommending no burning out there with a low humidity. Fortunately, the winds are calm, so that's at least a good thing with that. If it was breezy, we'd have a problem. Live look from our Grandview area here, almost getting to the golden hour. Temperatures at 71 degrees, also calm winds, but very dry conditions as well, too, in Jefferson County. So again, recommending no burning out there. Won't take much to spark off a fire with the dry conditions we have. We're at 71 in Birmingham, Tuscaloosa again in the 70s. Same for Brent, Mountainville, Utah, Carrollton up to Fayette. 66 in Coleman, out to the east, a lot of 60s out there as well, too. And as we go to the kids going to practice this evening, 71 at 5 o'clock, but quickly falling to 64 at 6 and 56 by 7 o'clock. So temperatures tumbling fairly quickly. Overnight tonight, we'll be down to lower 40s here in Gadsden at 41 to 47 in Birmingham. How about 50s? Tuscaloosa, Carrollton, Utah, Moundsville, Brent area. Not bad at all with a mostly clear sky. We will see a few high clouds coming in from time to time tomorrow, but overall, though, nothing too bad. Our old front's kind of worked its way down to the south there in South Florida, but a little warm front off to our southwest here. That's going to lift its way northward for tomorrow, and as that happens, that's going to allow us to really warm up with some potential record heat as we get into Wednesday and Thursday with high pressure over the northern Gulf, bringing up the warm air from the south. A little front's going to skirt by here to the north on Friday, and that eventually will help to bring us a little rain. So tomorrow we start off a little chilly at 47, but dress in layers. We get to near 80 in the afternoon, about 78, but notice the winds are going to pick up tomorrow. So that fire danger threat could be an issue again for tomorrow. We need to watch out for that. But look at Wednesday. My forecast high of 81 would break the record of 80, set back in 1985. And Thursday's forecast is 81, breaking the record of 79, is set back in 1896, so a long time ago when it was this warm. So we go from 38 this morning to potential record highs by the middle of the week. Now we are going to see a little rain, sprinkles potentially Wednesday, Thursday, greater chance Friday night into Saturday morning, and that's with our next weather maker coming in, this cold front here, going to bring us some scattered showers, some thunderstorms, maybe some downpours out there. Be sure to download our app. You can track the radar there and our CBS 42 Weather Live channel. You can watch it on the app to get the latest forecast as well. Here's Thursday at 6 a.m. We're dry there for the morning commute, but may see a couple of showers trying to sneak in during the day. Low chance there. Friday morning, here comes some rain, and we'll see additional showers coming in during the afternoon Friday into Friday night and Saturday morning. But by Saturday afternoon, looking pretty good for both the football games, college games out there. No problems are expected. So looking ahead, temperatures around 81, record highs Wednesday, Thursday. A little cooler for Saturday, Sunday, drying out into Monday. Little rain Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thanksgiving. Right now 66 with a small chance for sprinkles.